The ZBook Power 15 G10 is one of the few 15.6-inch workstations to ship with both AMD Zen 4 Pro CPUs and NVIDIA RTX Ada GPUs. If you don't mind missing out on 4K, OLED, ECC RAM, and 16-inch screen sizes, then the ZBook Power 15 G10 should prove to be a reliable classic. The HP ZBook Power 15 G10 replaces last year's ZBook Power 15 G9 by swapping out the Alder Lake 12th Gen Intel CPUs for newer Raptor Lake 13th Gen and AMD Ryzen Zen 4 options. The chassis is otherwise identical to the ZBook Power 15 G9 or ZBook Power 15 G8, and so we recommend checking out our older reviews to learn more about the physical features of the model. Our specific review unit is the highest-end AMD configuration with the Ryzen 7 Pro 7940HS CPU, NVIDIA RTX 2000 Ada GPU, 1440p IPS display, and 64GB of DDR5-5600 RAM for approximately $2,600 US. Lesser SKUs starting with the Ryzen 5 7640HS, 1080p display, and only integrated graphics are also available for as low as $1,600. Note that configurations with Intel CPUs are called ZBook Power 15 G10, while those with AMD CPUs are sold as the ZBook Power 15 G10A. Whereas our ZBook Power G9 was configured with a 1MP webcam, our Power G10 comes with a 5MP webcam instead for a much sharper picture. The IR and physical shutter features remain unchanged. HP has made one small but notable change. The M.2 WLAN module is now replaceable, whereas it was soldered on last year's ZBook Power 15 G9. Most everything else remains untouched, including the 2 DDR5 SODIMM slots and 2 M.2 PCIe 4x4 slots. Unless if touchscreen is a must, we recommend avoiding the two 250 nit options as they each cover only 45% of NTSC for noticeably shallower colors. For reasons unknown, HP does not offer 4K options for any ZBook Power G10 configuration, even though they were previously available on the ZBook Power G9. We suspect that this could be due to supply issues, as manufacturers are currently moving away from 16:9 15.6-inch panels to 16:10 16-inch panels instead. Our 1440p panel is nonetheless excellent with its fast refresh rate, fast response times, and accurate sRGB colors fit for content creation and even gaming. It may not be OLED or 4K, but it's still one of better 15.6-inch IPS displays out there. HP does not ship the model pre-calibrated, which is a shame for a ZBook class laptop. Average grayscale and color delta E values out of the box would be at 5.9 and 3.27, respectively, with the color temperature being slightly too warm. Calibrating the display ourselves would improve the average delta E values to just 0.5 and 0.56. Our calibrated ICM file is available to download above for free. Please, for more videos, subscribe to my channel.